Hi everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making a cozy classic, hot and sour soup. Just look at this, thick, steamy, tangy, and a little spicy. It's the kind of soup that wakes up your appetite right away. Alright, let's get started. First, crack 2 eggs and beat them well. For the veggies and toppings, I've got some diced tomato, thinly sliced carrot, shredded wood ear mushrooms, strips of sausage or ham, shredded tofu, and some chopped cilantro for later. With everything prepped, let's move to the work. Heat some oil. Toss in the diced tomatoes and stir-fry until they break down and get saucy. Season with 1.5 tablespoons soy sauce and 1 tablespoon black vinegar. Stir until everything comes together. Pour in about 900 ml of water. Now add in all other ingredients except the cilantro. We will save that for the end. Season with 2.5 teaspoons salt, 2 teaspoons MSG, and 3 teaspoons white pepper. Let it come to a boil for about 2 to 3 minutes. Next, drizzle in some cornstarch slurry and give it a stir. This thickens the broth nicely. Now, slowly pour in the beaten eggs and gently push with your spatula so they turn into silky egg ribbons. Right before serving, splash in 1 more tablespoon of black vinegar. Add the fresh cilantro and finish with half a tablespoon sesame oil. And that's it. Look at that! Glossy, thick, and packed with flavor. You can just tell it's tangy, peppery, and so comforting. Let me taste. Oh whoa! So satisfying. On a cold day, pour this over some rice and it warms you right up, heart and belly. You've got to try this at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.